Want to block adult websites on your Android phone in 2026? This simple method uses built-in settings to create a safer browsing experience without installing extra apps. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. You can usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you're inside the Settings menu, scroll down and tap Connections, which contains your network and internet-related options. Depending on your device model, you may need to select more connection settings to access advanced network features. Next, tap Private DNS. Choose the option called Private DNS Provider Hostname. In the hostname field, type family@8guarddns.com. After entering the address, tap Save. This activates AdGuard Family DNS, a filtering service designed to block many adult websites and explicit content before it reaches your device. It works across various browsers and apps that rely on your phone's internet connection, adding an extra layer of protection without requiring a separate application. For even stronger filtering in Google Chrome, return to your home screen and open the Chrome app. Tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner and select Settings. Scroll down and choose Privacy and Security, then tap Use Secure DNS. Select Choose Another Provider and from the available options, choose Custom. Then select Clean Browsing Family Filter. This additional setting helps Chrome apply stricter filtering rules, making it more difficult to access adult content through the browser. Keep in mind that some advanced users may still bypass these restrictions by changing DNS settings or using certain third-party tools. If you're setting up the device for children, consider combining these steps with parental control features, screen time settings, or supervised accounts for better security. With these simple settings enabled, you'll enjoy a safer browsing experience and stronger protection against unwanted adult content every day.